Hello, my charmed ones, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well and staying safe and healthy with your families at home during this quarantine time that we're in. In today's video, I wanted to talk to you guys about a project that I've been working on, specifically the launch of my 2021 planner inserts. Yes, it's about that time of year for us to relaunch planner inserts for the new year, so I have some updates on that whole project for you guys. And I also wanted to share with you guys in this video one of my latest free monthly printable inserts that you can get over in my shop. So if you're interested in those, I just wanted to give you a heads up as well that those are available, but we'll talk about them in a minute. But the first thing I wanted to express before we get into all of that is that Black Lives Matter. Now, if you take any issue with that statement, I think that I'm not the creator or business for you. My channel, my platforms, my business and work, and my entire mission in life is to help people identify and move closer to their goals and dreams for their best life. And if you cannot objectively see or understand that there is a significant population of people that have been intentionally and systematically stunted from that opportunity that many of us take for granted, then this is not the place for you. And I encourage you to take a break from my content and to learn a little bit more about the Black Lives Matter movement. So I'm going to go ahead and leave some resources linked down below in my description box so that you can check those out if you need them. So now let's go ahead and talk about 2021 planner inserts. So I'm in the process of updating my 2021 master planner inserts, and I'm actually going in a completely new direction with the format of the master planner system this year. I don't want to give anything away too soon, but I am adding more inserts into the master planner, and I'm turning it into a more flexible functional planning system by giving you options for mix and match inserts. So there's a lot of new things to come with the launch of my 2021 planner inserts and master planner. So if you would like to join me live, I'm actually going to have a launch party here on YouTube. So mark your calendar for Saturday, July 11th at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is the New York City time zone that I'm in. Now, with that being said, although I have like a whole bunch of new inserts and new things planned for the planner systems, I also wanted to reach out to you within my community and find out whatever inserts that you need for your system that I don't already offer. So I know over the past few years, I've been streamlining my planner insert options down as my planning needs have changed and become more streamlined, but I'm starting to see things a little bit differently now, and I'm changing up my own system as well, and I want to start designing and creating more varied and flexible inserts that will work for more people. So please let me know in the comments what you would like to see from me. Do you need a specific layout that doesn't exist yet in the planner community? Or do you think that I could improve upon, a basic design that you might like to use, and you'd like to see my take on an insert like that? Let me know, and I would be more than happy to look into it and see what I can do. Are there any supplemental inserts that you would just love to have in your planner that you don't have right now? More so than just planner spreads and calendar spreads. I am going to finally be releasing my finance bundle with this launch, and that has been very highly requested. But you tell me what you need and what you want in your planner, because I am here to create it for you. So speaking of things that I've created for you, if you were not already aware, every month this year, I've been releasing a new free planner insert over on my shop, thecharmedshop.com. And my freebie for July is now ready, and it's now up on the shop. So I wanted to make sure you guys knew about those free downloads, that they were there, and that I've been creating these new designs. And I wanted to make sure you had the direct link, so I will go ahead and leave it in the description. This month's free insert is actually a set of 3 half-page task lists. So I've got them here for you guys to see, like already kind of cut and punched for my planner, but they are essentially a task list, like a double-sided task list with a cute header, and they can be used as like a page marker or to be used as, just a place for you to brain dump things, or a task list if you're someone who like your planner pages get filled really quickly and you always need like an extra list handy that you can like pop into your planner, then these will be perfect for you. So I recommend printing out like a couple of copies of this and cutting them and pre-punching them all at once and just kind of having them stored and ready to go for use in your planner. But I also do have an old video that I will leave linked down below as well that was all about how to create laminated task lists for your planner. And I think that would be a great DIY to use with this free planner insert design. So I will leave that also linked down below for you to check out and let me know how it goes. So I hope you enjoy this month's free printable insert design, and make sure to take a look around because there are other freebies up there, as well as other awesome inserts and classes and workbooks and courses that you might be interested in. So definitely check it out. And of course, I want to remind you one more time, if you would like to join me for the live 2021 planner insert launch, make sure to mark your calendars for Saturday, July 11th at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. There will be an event that'll go up, and I am also going to go ahead and email the link out to my list. So if you're on my email list, you're going to get the link before the event as well. So thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.